Coway Airmega 250/250S replacement filter. Coway Airmega Max2 filter is an all-in-one that combines Coway Green True HEPA filter with an activated carbon filter. Coway Green True HEPA removes 99.999% of nano-sized particulate matter down to 0.01 micrometers, which is smaller than most viruses and bacteria. Coway Activated Carbon filter reduces more than 99% of odor from food, cigarette, and pets as well as volatile organic compounds. Coway Airmega Max2 filter has an average of 12-month lifespan with 930 square feet coverage. Top reviews from the United States. OEM Real Coway filters. Don't waste your time with the knockoffs. These are the real deal, OEM, Coway filters. The charcoal chambers are full to the top, when other brands aren't even half full. Buy ahead of time, when on sale, and stock up. Perfect. If I had one wish, it's that the price could remain lower, year-round.